And welcome to Bob and Kelly's Martini Monday.
Where we are mixing up a brand new martini for you guys every single Monday of the year.
That's 52.
That's a lot of martinis.
That's a lot of martinis.
Yes.
So we're going to feel good.
Yeah. And we are continuing, and we are continuing with our August martini series of
Starbucks inspired martinis.
Yeah, so if y'all know us, you know we love Starbucks.
Oh, yeah. I should be sponsored by Starbucks.
You should be sponsored by Starbucks because we do go a lot.
Like every day almost.
Practically.
Yes.
But we thought we would take some of our favorite Starbucks drinks and turn them into martinis because
why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
You know,
nobody else has done it. Let's do it.
Martinis. Let's you know.
I need ice in my thing. I need ice in my shaker.
Okay.
So
Bob needs ice.
please entertain while I get ice.
All right. So as we were saying, you guys know that we love Starbucks and martinis. So we figured, what better way to do both together at the same time? Starbucks inspired martinis. So now that Bob has ice, tell us what we're gonna do today.
Today we're gonna do the white chocolate mocha. This is one of Kelly's favorite ones.
Yeah, I do usually get in the wintertime like a hot white chocolate mocha, but I will occasionally get a iced white chocolate mocha as well.
Yes.
So we're gonna do our version
of the Starbucks
white chocolate mocha martini. Right.
Yes, and just remember, this is always mixed for two, and this is totally us. We have made up these recipes. We didn't get them from anybody else. We just figured what's going to taste good, and sometimes we're right, sometimes we're not right.
Last week we had to revise our recipe just a little bit.
So if you want to check that one out, we'll link it right here. So.
So we have not taste tested this one yet.
Nope.
Either, so it's going to be a surprise.
It's blind.
But we're going to go for it and
yes, we are.
See what we come up with. So let's start with some
We started with ice in my shaker.
Ice in the shaker and some white chocolate liqueur. We have Godiva White Chocolate liqueur right here.
And we're going to do 3 ounces of that.
Okay.
Wow, this is pretty.
Yeah, it is. It's white.
Wow.
So of course this is going to be
2.
a creamy cocktail, a creamy martini. I should say creamy martini.
It's still a cocktail.
It is a cocktail, yeah. And we have our martini glasses chilling in the freezer. We'll get those out when we're ready to pour.
Yes.
Because we did something special with
And we got Kahlua.
Yeah.
This is a coffee flavored liqueur. So we're going to do, my spout's a little crooked.
Okay.
We're going to do 3 ounces of this. Of Kahlua.
So far we have 3 ounces of Godiva White Chocolate liqueur and 3 ounces of Kahlua.
Kahlua.
I love that little blah, blah, blah sound.
Yeah, the little glug glug.
Yes. And we went to Starbucks just this morning and got some just plain cold brew. So we're going to use...
You can use espresso, you can use cold brew. You can even brew your own coffee. Just make sure it's chilled.
Yeah. We're just going to use Starbucks cold brew today because why not?
I like the cold brew because the cold brew is less acidic. Plus, it is stronger.
It is.
So, and I do like strong coffee.
Yeah.
We're going to use 4 ounces of coffee.
It smells good. I like that smell.
And that's all we're going to use for this drink.
While you shake her up, as the cars say, I am going to get the glasses out of the freezer. Shake it up. Ready?
Yeah. And as always, you want to shake it until your shakers are nice and frosty. Because, you know, and shaking also dilutes it a little bit and aerates it as well. Sometimes it's better to stir, but I like to shake. I like the frothy. Hopefully we'll get a good froth on this one.
How many times can Bob say froth?
Froth.
So I've taken our martini glasses and poured some...
Ooh, I made a mess.
Oh, yes, you did. Ooh. I have poured some chocolate into our martini glasses.
Oh, that smells good.
And put them in the freezer.
And now I'm wearing my drink.
Yeah.
Okay. But we did get a nice froth.
Yes, we sure did.
So
that is quite frothy. Did you show them?
I did not.
That is very frothy.
Yes.
Can you see that?
So now we're just gonna kind of strain, because there's ice in it, we're gonna strain into our little martini glasses here.
There's kind of a puddle of chocolate in the bottom too, so we're gonna see how that turns out. That is okay. That smells delicious, by the way.
White chocolate mocha.
Mmm.
Wow. I love this.
That looks very pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Awesome. Smells good. I can smell the Kahlua.
I can smell the coffee.
Mmm.
I can see the mess.
Yes, you can. Oh, did you make a mess all over your shirt?
Just a little bit.
Poor thing.
It's okay. That's why we have washing machines.
We're gonna clean this up and then we're gonna pause for pictures, as always. Photo is done.
Photos are done.
Done.
Check this
Check
out.
that out. That's so pretty.
Oh my stars.
Melinda, you might like this because she's been asking for a chocolate martini.
Who?
Melinda.
Oh,
yeah,
Melinda.
2 Broke Mice Melinda.
Yeah, this is a white chocolate.
White chocolate
Mocha.
Damn. That's good.
That is so amazing.
That is really good.
Oh, wow. I love the foam
good. We're
on
just
top,
going-
too.
Yeah, we're going back for another. That is an awesome dessert martini.
It has got just the right amount of sweetness, and we didn't put any sweetener
We
in
didn't
it.
put any sweetener in it. I think it comes from the Kahlua and the white chocolate.
The Kahlua and the white
liqueur.
chocolate?
Yeah, because it's got a little bit of a like crema kind of thing happening on the top.
It does.
But I think the little chocolate drizzle on the glass just gives it a little bit. Don't you think?
I have no idea. 'Cause I don't
have
care.
no idea. He
You know
just
what?
wants to
I don't
drink it.
care. It looks pretty. It tastes pretty. It's good.
Yeah, that's really good. You had a zebratini recently at Animal Kingdom Lodge at Jico. What do you? Does it
This
taste
one's
the same?
better.
Is this one better?
This one's much better.
I like the white chocolate mocha.
I like the white chocolate too, and I like the Kahlua.
Yeah.
Because, you know, Kahlua is a really good coffee liqueur.
It is.
And with the white chocolate, it just makes it a magic.
I'm gonna drink the crap out of this
No
one.
joke. Drink the crap out of this one.
But it makes me want to like do this.
I know. It does, doesn't it?
That's delicious. Yes.
Okay, this
Yes.
is another.
Successful martini.
I'm telling you what, we are hitting home
getting
runs
damn
with
good at
these
these.
Starbucks drinks.
I know,
These are
right?
like awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, first off, when you start off with Starbucks, which is a winner already,
You can't go wrong.
and then you just kind of put a little alcohol in it.
Yeah. Winner, winner.
Yeah.
right.
Chicken dinner.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not done so already, please do us a huge, big, fat favor. Hit that subscribe button.
Or skinny favor.
Yeah, and give us a thumbs
Whatever.
up if you enjoyed our video, and ding the notification bell so that you know when we post.
That's right.
Have a great day. We'll see you next Monday.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. I know. I could like slam that bad boy.
That is so good. Oh my God, that is so good. Okay, 2 in a row.